But yeah, it's time to get some absolute banger drone photos.
All my life I've barely spoken. Your words have been so broken. I've been under your hypnosis. Why did I sip that potion? I'm so done with holy ghosting. My birth, it is an omen. Lay me down up in the ocean until you see no motion. Right now I can barely focus. I'm showing no emotion. On your knees, show your devotion. My skin is black but golden. I'm not here for bragging, boasting.
Hey guys, what is up? I'm currently in Himes Beach with a bit of a crew. We're out here shooting sunrise. It is currently 6 AM. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to get banger drone shots. So let's go. He's close enough, finally. Goes. Oh. How nice is that looking already, Chester?
Oh, amazing.
It's a bit dark, but Alright guys, we just went down to Himes Beach and check it out. It is as beautiful as everyone says it is. Legit pearly white sand over here. The sunrise is just coming up just behind me here. Let me introduce you to the crew I've got with me today. I've got Angus as See You Later on IG. I've got Matt Lambie over here.
Yo.
And then I've got Chester C and then C Shots on IG. I'll put all of them in the link below so you can go check their stuff out. They are phenomenal creators and they absolutely kill the game. So make sure you go check them out. Give them a follow if you like their stuff. And also make sure you like and subscribe on my channel here. Always good to see you guys coming back and make sure you guys get involved with the team. But yeah, it's time to get some absolute banger drone photos. Twos up in the air. Come check out this guy's setup. Angus, show us what you've got over here. What is this?
So it's like a range booster, which you normally see is in Hong Kong, like East Asian countries, because like the high-rise buildings, the metal just absorb all your reception. So with this thing, this bad boy here, you can easily go 11k out.
11k out.
Yeah, I tried once. Bullshit.
Bro, this guy's flying legit from Bondi Beach to bloody Sydney Harbour over here. Look at that thing. And he's legit a beast.
Yeah. It's literally called Alien Tech as well. Not a sponsor, bro, but
So Matt's decided to give us a little tip of the day. Go, Matt.
This is a pretty fruitful tip because you can crash your drone with this one. So fly to the brink of it, pretty much falling out of the sky. We're at 16% right now, and
he's not coming home anytime soon.
No, that's how you get the bangers.
So basically, by risking your $2,500 drone,
definitely not a helpful tip.
you get yourself the drone bangers.
Yeah.
It happens a bit like that.
I guess so. I guess so.
The real question is, can you catch?
Oh, of course I can.
Ooh, that was very, very crispy. And what a shoot that was, guys. Literally just wrapped it up just at home. So let's go back and edit those bangers, and I'm going to show you how to piece together those 3 individual photos in post and then create the drone banger that I've been telling you all about. And what a morning that was, guys. I am always blown away by how beautiful Hyams Beach is at sunrise. That crystal clear blue water mixed with that gorgeous white sand is next to nothing. So let's get into the part I've been telling you guys about all video. How to merge photos together in Lightroom to create the vertical panorama you see on your screen now. So for me, it was a collection of 4 photos. The first one being a photo with the horizon level at the top of the frame. The second photo with the horizon level just above midway. The third photo having the horizon line dead center in the middle of the frame with you, so you can see half sky and half of the landscape. The fourth photo having majority sky and having that horizon line below halfway. By a few simple clicks in Lightroom, you're able then to merge these 4 photos together to create the vertical panorama that you now see on your screen. This has changed my drone photo capability and also changed the way I see drone photos as a whole. It's crazy to see that you can merge these 4 photos together and create this vertical panorama where you'd only be able to take 1 photo and manage to get half of what you're able to get by merging these 4 photos together. And with that, guys, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video and you guys can take something away from it. If you have, please chuck it a like, and if you'd like to see more, as I've got a lot more coming from around Sydney and the outer parts of New South Wales, chuck a subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.